So good day everyone. For our presentation, let me introduce you to our team. Carl Jason Rico for our leader, and Elizor Daniel Caneda and Policarpio Legaspi as members. So in this presentation, we're here to present to you Signify, an intelligent web platform for American Sign Language education using AI and game-based learning for students of Philippine Registry of Interpreters for the Deaf.
Good day po. Ako po si Policarpio Legaspi for the background of the study. Ang research po namin ay nakatuon sa Deaf and Hard of Hearing o DHH community dito sa Pilipinas. Marami po sa kanila ang nahihirapang matuto ng sign language, lalo na ng American Sign Language o ASL. Dahil karamihan ng mga existing learning methods ay traditional, nakabase sa books, printed o face-to-face instruction. Ang problema dito, madalas minsan boring para sa mga learners at hindi rin accessible na sa mga nangangailangan ng flexible at interactive na paraan sa pag-aaral. Dito po pumapasok ang Signify, ang proposed system namin. Isa po itong web-based platform na gumagamit ng AI gestures recognition para turuan ng users ng ASL gamit lang ang webcam, makakapag-practice ang user, makakita ang progress nila at makakuha sila ng instant feedback na may gamification din para mas engaging. Sa madaling sabi, ang goal po ng Signify ay gawing mas accessible, interactive at exclusive ang ASL education para sa student, teachers, families at lalo na dito sa Pilipinas. Based on that background, nag-formulate po kami ng 5 main research questions na sasagutin ng study at system development namin. Una, paano magagamit ng artificial intelligence para ma-recognize at ma-interpret ang ASL gestures in real time? Pangalawa, ano ang game-based learning strategies ang pwedeng i-apply para mas gawing engaging, interactive at effective ang ASL learning? Pangatlo, paano systematic ang ma-measure at ma-visualize ang learner progress sa loob ng platform? Pang-apat, ano ang accessibility at usability challenges ang pwedeng lumabas habang dinedevelop ang platform? At paano namin sila i-address? At panghuli, paano makakapag-personalize ng learning experience ang system based sa performance, preference at progress ng user?
Good day everyone, I'm Carl Jason Esrico and today I'm going to present to you our system Signify, and a tool for learning ASL or American Sign Language. First, let's create an account. So, let's enter our name, our last name, our birthday, our gender, our email, then our password. After signing up, it will send an magic link to our email that we use. As you can see, here is our link. So after creating an account, we can log in now. So after we're done logging in, now we are in our home page. Here in our home page, we have our learn, alphabet and more, which is numbers, shop, profile and more, which is just our logout button. In our learn, we have here section 1 unit 1, which is ordering food. Here we have our lesson ordering food 1. We have section 1 unit 2, which is greetings. Another one which is family, emotions, daily routines, different lessons. So we will try this ordering food lesson 1. So we are here in our lesson page. We're here to learn food, but unfortunately our URL is not working, so we need to click this to watch our tutorial or video, which is food. So after watching the video, we will try it. See, and another one, perform the sign for food. Another one, which is water. Let's try again. Right, then we'll try again for water. Next one is menu. Another one for menu. Next is for our please gesture. And here, they will, our website will ask again for you to gesture please. Next is thank you. Another one for you to memorize the gesture. So here is our flashcard or multiple choice. Here it will ask you a question. What is the sign for please? And here, what is the sign for food? And what's the sign for thank you? And another one for water and menu. So here we have our multiple choice, which is which one describe the sign for water? Tap index finger on chin twice. And how do you sign please? Flat hand, circle, and chest. And after that, our lesson is complete. And after we go home, we will receive our gems. And as you can see here in our profile, we will receive our XP or experience points for our progress. And after that, we will unlock our ordering food lesson 2. But first, we'll go to our alphabet. Here we can see different sign language or American Sign Language for letters. This is for A, B, C, and etc. Another one for numbers, 1, 2, 3, and etc. Another page is for our shop where we can buy hearts. Our heart system here is when you are below 80% of the completion of a level, you will lose a heart. So if you want to learn more, but you keep failing, you can buy hearts to still play the game or play this website. And lastly, our profile, we will show you the name, the email you use, and your progress. And another thing that we did is our admin side. So here we have our Signify admin page. Here we have our dashboard overview to see our total users, total lessons, total gestures, and the model status or the model of our machine learning that we will use. Next is our manage lessons or manage levels, where we can edit our content in our user page. As you can see here, we can edit this ordering food title. We will take out food, and after we click save, it will reflect in our here in our user page. See, ordering takeout food. Now we will go back again. We can also edit our XP and gems. Here we can set it to 30, then the order one. And if we check again, we can see that it's been changed and the order has been moved up. So next is manage content. Here we can add content for our lessons, like in ordering food. We can add signs here like gloss for hungry. Then we can choose a video file or URL. Let's use this for example. And here we have our preview of our the video that we will posting. And go back. We can add a new section or unit, which is, let's say, it's level 1 or unit 1. Description, going out, order number 6. Now we will see it reflect in our user side. As you can see, the title. After that, we can edit that. We can edit this title to going out. This is supposed to be description. So going out and save, and it will reflect in our user side. We can also add a new levels or lessons. We can also add a new lessons for our new section. It's coming up birthday party. For our XP, we will make it 50, and for our gem reward, we will make it 7. For the order, let's make it number 1. After saving it, it will reflect in our user side. So I see it's locked because we haven't unlocked the other levels yet. So I see it's still it's locked because we haven't unlocked the other lessons yet. So it's locked. Next is we can also delete this section, or first we will delete this lesson, as you can see, and it will reflect in our user side. And we can also delete the section. And it's gone. And another feature of our admin site is our dataset collector, which is here this is where we train our datasets. So let's try start capture. Let's say thank you. Start capture. As you can see, it will not start capturing samples if your hands is not detected. And next is train and upload model. And lastly, our user management, where we can edit the username, email, XP, gems, heart, and streak. And we can also delete and add new user.
So good day everyone po. So my name is Elisor Daniel Caneda, and I'm here to explain po the conclusion and the recommendation. So sa conclusion po is yung system po namin, which is Signify po, is nag-combine po siya ng advanced machine learning technologies, which is TensorFlow para sa gesture recognition, and Media 500 po for sa real-time hand tracking. And si system po is naka-achieve siya ng 95% accuracy sa pag-identify po ng American Sign Language gestures. So this level of precision, nag-provide po siya ng engaging and interactive learning experience para sa mga deaf and hard of hearing individuals po. As well as anyone din po na interested po na matuto po ng sign language for communication. Then yung platform po na to is ina-allow po yung mga user na matuto and mag-practice po ng ASL sign language through real-time feedback powered by camera-based na gesture recognition po. And gumamit po kami ng Supabase para po mag-handle po sa mga user authentication, data management, and progress tracking. So yung mga learners po is madali po nilang monitor yung mga XP, yung mga streaks, and yung mga lesson achievements po sa isang system. So si system po is na-develop po siya through an agile process po. Nag-evolve po siya continuously through testing and mga refinements po para ma-enhance po yung accuracy, yung speed, and yung user experience po, habang mini-maintain naman po yung accessibility and educational value. So the system fosters inclusive learning, offering hands-on practice na hindi na kailangan ng specialized equipment para sa or ng mga experience So si system po is feature po siya ng mga gesture-driven lessons, mga instant recognition, gamified rewards po tulad po ng mga XP, yung hearts po or yung mga buhay, and gems po. So si system po is dinideliver po niya yung accurate and reliable po na motivating learning experience. So by prioritizing po na accessibility and educational alignment, nakakatawid po yung mga communication barriers, and nagkakaroon po ng lakas ng loob yung mga learners and educators para mag-engage po sa deaf education. Then sa recommendation naman po is number 1 is conduct extensive user testing. So dito naman po is mas mapalawak pa po yung yung evaluation ng system sa pag-include po ng more students and teachers po from different learning levels. So para po makapag-gather din po ng mga feedback and ma-sure po natin yung usability ng system, yung accessibility, tsaka yung educational alignment po na kailangan po ng mga deaf learners. The next po is expand game-based learning modules. So dito po is magdagdag po ng mga iba pang challenges, mga mini games, and reward systems po para ma-maintain po yung motivation po ng mga learners, para ma-maintain yung mga motivation ng mga learners through repeated and enjoyable practice. Then number 3 po is implement multilingual support. So dito po is ang goal po nito is makapag-integrate po ng mga iba't ibang mga lengguwahe po ng yung system para po mas mapalawak po yung range ng users and makapag-promote po ng inclusive education para sa mga learners po.